Hi, I'm Willie Mayette, creator of Piano with Willie. Welcome to this lesson on Over the Rainbow, or as some people say, Somewhere Over the Rainbow. This is a classic Harold Arlen song you might know it from The Wizard of Oz. Beautiful song. This is actually the second time that I'm doing this song, so this is the new version of it in which I have a brand new arrangement. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through and I'm going to show you step by step how I create this arrangement. You're going to play note for note the arrangement that I just played there. So let's get started. I look forward to seeing you in the first chapter.